Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Wish Week, actually, so you wish for songs. I bring them up here on Gordon Guitar, but not on your regular Wednesday, Wish Wednesday. We have 2 weeks now where I throw in wish songs from you guys here and there, so you have to stay awake for your song. And this time it's you, Black Witch. You wished for Maisie Peters, Not Another Rockstar. So this one is special for you and for all you Maisie Peters fans. So yeah, let's start this one up. So we have a couple chords first to go over. We need to have a setup with the capo on the first fret. It will make your life much easier. So let's start with that and then go over the chords we need. I believe there are 8 or 9 chords actually. So let's start with D minor. Okay, so D minor is open D, second G, third B, and first E. We have C next. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, open E. We have A minor, and that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have the A sharp sus version, that is the easier one. So that's a bar chord where you play the first fret on this fretboard, and you bar the 5 strings from bottom up like this, okay? So you don't have to incorporate the last E string, but then you need to add third on D and third on G. We also got the A, so a lot of A's now, A minor, A sharp, and now this plain A. It goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. We have E minor, that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have the F, another bar chord where you play the bar on the first fret again, this time over all strings, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. And speaking of G, that's the next chord. So that will be third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, third E, and then we have one chord used pretty much right before the ending, and that's the C sharp. I would go with the sus version, or if you want, you can go with the C with 2 bars, but you have to start with 1 bar here on the 4th fret. You go with 5 strings, so you start from the bottom and go up 5 strings like this, and bar the 4th position, and then you need to add, if you go with the sus version, 6 on D and 6 on G. If you go with the plain C sharp, then you can do this with another bar there on the 6th fret, and you try to bar the D, G, and B string. And when you do the strumulator, try to stay away from the last E, because that is a note you don't want to with your second bar there. So do it with 2 bars and try to stay away with the last E string when you strum it. Alright guys, so there you have all the chords needed. We're gonna look at the simple strumming pattern, but it goes pretty fast, so that is the challenge here in this song. We will start with D minor, so grab that one. And when you do that, you're gonna play down, up, okay? Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so 1 string around will be down, up, like that. All right, so pretty simple, but you need to really get your downs and ups right there. So let's start with the verse play. You have D minor 4, C 4, A minor 4, and A sharp sus 4 string rounds. So 4 string rounds per chord, D minor, C, A minor, and A sharp. You're gonna play 2 rounds of that in the first verse. It goes like this for 1 round. All right, so you play 2 rounds of that, and that is the verse. Over to pre-chorus. You're gonna play D minor 4, E minor 4, F4, G2, and A2. play it for only this one chord progression round, like this. And there we have the pre-chorus. Now over to chorus, and guess what? You play that in the same way as the verse play for 2 rounds again, and there you have the first chorus. All right, the second round of this will be not many news to this one. We have the second verse. It's played in the same way, but only for 1 round. So D minor, C, A minor, and A sharp, only for 1 round, all right? And then the second pre-chorus played in the same way, and that's the same with the chorus, the second one played in the same way as the first one. All right, after the second chorus comes a bridge part. We're now about 1 minute and 48 seconds into the song, and we're gonna play the A sharp 4, C 4, A minor 4, D minor 2, C 2. That's the first part. And then we have the A sharp 4, C 4, and then comes this special one, the C sharp. Either go with the 2 bars or the sus version. You're gonna play for 8 strumming rounds. And there you have the bridge part. I think you can handle it by yourself. It's the same way of playing the down, up. You just follow there, the chord progression, and you have that bridge part easily. All right, so after the bridge part comes the final chorus, and that is the third one. It's played in the same way as the previous for 2 rounds of D minor, C, A minor, and A sharp. And that wraps it up for Maisie Peters, Not Another Rockstar. So you, Black Witch, hope you enjoyed this. This was special for you, so thank you for interacting with me here on Going Guitar. And if you appreciated this, you and all the other ones who are watching this tutorial, give me a thumb up and perhaps wish for future songs. It's up to you guys. Thank you for support, and until next time, play tuned.